Okay, so here is our intermediate scent work. Here's Abra. She's in the house. She's in our blind. Okay, Abra, you gotta move over a little bit. Let me shut the door. Stay there. Okay. There you go. So here is area number 1. It's on the porch. This is 28 feet by 8 feet deep. Area number 2 is this whole flower bed up to these pots. Over. That's area number 2. Okay, so today we are going to find our squeaky ball and a treat. All right, so has to be 1 to 2 feet off the ground. Let's hide it over here. Let's see, like that. All right. And then let's hide our treat. Let's hide our treat over here. We'll put it right there. Okay. Now let's go get Abra. All right, Harry, you gotta get out of here. Okay. Let's get Abra. You ready? There you are. Okay, hold up, Abra. Hold up. Find your ball. Find your ball. Find it. Find your ball. Did you find it? Find your ball. Get it. There you go. Good girl. Good job. Come on. Good girl. You get your ball? Good job. Okay. Let's go down and find your treat. Wait for Mama. Can't go as fast as you. Okay, let's look for your treat. Find it. Wow, that was fast, Abra. Good job. As you can see, it's gone and she's munching on it. Let's see, Abra. Yeah. Okay, good job, Abra. Good job.